everyone, and welcome back to another bake. Today we are making a classic, chocolate cream pie. So let's get started. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we have to fully bake our pie crust. For recipe and tutorial on homemade pie dough, check link in description box below. Bake the pie crust with weights for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then remove the weights and bake until golden brown, about another 15 to 20 minutes. Cool pie crust at room temperature before making the filling. Simmer 300 grams of whole milk in a pot. Once simmered, mix together 150 grams of whole eggs with 30 grams of granulated sugar and 8 grams of cornstarch. Temper the milk into the egg mixture while whisking. Return the mixture back into the pot and cook over low heat until it boils and thickens. Be sure to stir constantly to prevent curdling. Once ready, turn off the heat and mix in 4 grams of vanilla extract, 40 grams of unsalted butter, and 112 grams of chocolate couverture. I'm using Callebaut 54.5% dark chocolate. Whisk until well combined. Strain the custard into the cooled pie crust. Place the pie in the refrigerator to set overnight or at least 4 hours. For the garnish, I'm going to pipe on some whipped cream and top with chocolate shavings. Silky, smooth chocolate custard with fluffy whipped cream and a flaky pie crust. Perfect for any occasion. Enjoy!
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell button for notifications. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Life is uncertain. Eat to serve first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!